Hello friends, and today we are going to learn about upgrade schema in Magento 2. In our earlier lecture we have created an install schema and created a table in database my table, and this is our database table prefix. For upgrade schema, whenever you upgrade your Magento modules version, the upgrade schema is called. I was doing some work here and this is my module.xml file. Now I want to upgrade my module, then I'll be setting up the upgraded version here. So let's say 1.0.1 will be our upgraded version, and in our setup folder, as we earlier created install schema.php, I've created upgrade schema.php and wrote some base code. The two interfaces were common as they were in previous lecture, but the install schema interface is now changed with upgrade schema interface. So whenever you're going to perform a upgrade and you will run bin magento setup colon upgrade command, the upgrade schema's upgrade function is triggered. This function will accept these two interfaces as argument, and as discussed in earlier lecture, the setup will contain all the information that will help us to push our code into database, and the module context will contain the information regarding module. So here we have started the setup, and from the context variable we have called a get version function, which will give us the current version of our module, and if that version is less than 1.0.1, which is the new version where we want to go, then it will execute this code, otherwise it won't execute. So your upgrade schema file will be a common file for all your possible upgrades. So let's say now you have 2.0.2 upgrade, then you will just create a new if condition here, and your uh, new if condition will be checking your current version, and based on your current version you will write some code in here. Whereas in your Magento 1 you created your schema based on your version number in your script files itself. Now to check this, what we are going to do is I'll go to my console and I'll write setup upgrade command, and by this setup upgrade command what will happen is we are expecting that our module will be getting upgraded. And to check this, I'll hit my T. Okay, my table upgrade was the new table that I tried to create, and it's here. So in our install schema I already defined you what these functions do. What is here, I just copied the code from here from our previous lecture and just changed it my table to my table underscore upgrade, so that everything is easier to understand. So the key concept here is your upgrade schema will be single file, and based upon your if condition that will use version number, your code will be executed. Now one more thing to discuss here is your setup folder can hold 6 type of files by default. One is install schema that we have already discussed, upgrade schema we have already discussed, install data and upgrade data is similar. Whenever you have some data to be going into your database, then you create the install data files. Overall concept is similar in both the files, so you just try creating these files and let me know if you face any problem. Setup recurring, this file is actually used for post installation execution. So there is an example in your core Magento, and it is used for the indexer modules. So whenever a new module is installed and it creates a new indexer, then you can execute recurring file where your indexes for the new indexer can be built. So this file is used, or this file is triggered when your installation completes and you want to do something on top of your installation. And uninstall is used for uninstalling your module, and when you want to uninstall your module, do you want to delete your table, then this type of code can be in uninstall file. That was all for this lecture. Thanks, bye.